Welcome back to my video, guys. How do you guys spend your holiday? Because mine was let me not say the rest. So I'm just telling the children to go and arrange their toys in their room. They are just, I first I don't want to even go with Harriet. So guys, treasure this girl, she don't like arranging alone. So oh god. So at this point I want to
I'll take that. Ich okay, no. Ich bin nicht was auf. Das noch etwas.
So that's what we are going to be unboxing today. I bought a few things that I need in the house, and also you guys know that Fosa don't use stroller anymore, and going to supermarket is a bit difficult for us. So I just decided to order supermarket bag also. You guys are going to see it. It's like stroller, it's not even bag, it's supermarket stroller. You are going to be seeing it. So this one that I just unboxed is my forward bag, because the one that I was having before, that one has spoiled, because we have cold here. If you have leather stuff, the quick is spoil. And I have this tripod. Being a content creator is not it's not an easy job. You can also start small. I start small when I was not receiving money. I was managing myself. But before I started ordering things, the things I need on my video that I'm using to do my video. And yeah, so this is the supermarket bag that I order, or stroller, because like stroller is so nice. When I use it to go to the supermarket, I used to take a lot, a lot. It used to contain a lot of things, because me, when I'm going to supermarket, I don't buy small things. I go, when I go, I will not say yes, I go. So that's it. So the children were just unboxing with me. I gave them the thing to unbox, but the way they were dragging, fight and all of that, so I just decided to join them to do the unboxing. So this is the supermarket stroller. How do you guys see this stroller? It's so nice, to go to the supermarket. So when I use this stroller to go to supermarket, I don't feel anything at all. I'll just be pushing it. It's not something you come and drag here. No, just be pushing it like a normal stroller, kinder bag. So at this point, they wanted to fight for this thing. No, I said, okay, you guys be careful. So I let you be pushing it. Thank you for watching.